Welcome back. Now in ChatGPT, in order to make changes to the output, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the edit. And when you pull over into the edit, you're going to see suggested edit panel. We can make suggested edits. We can adjust the length of the content. We can adjust the reading level of the content. We can add what's called final polish to the content. And we can add emojis to certain elements of the content. For the sake of example, what we're going to do is without using a prompt, we're going to use the controls in ChatGPT to adjust the length. We're going to click on this element and we're going to adjust the length. We're going to make it shorter. Now that we use the controls to shorten the document, we're going to copy all of our content. We're going to test the length inside of our word processing document. You'll notice now that our document is 368 words versus the 800 that we started with. So we can use the controls inside of ChatGPT Canvas in order to make adjustments to the document without having to leave the actual screen. And you'll see that ChatGPT has provided a message that states that it has shortened the document by 50%. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.